10 strange animals that actually exist. Number 10. Dumbo octopus. The Dumbo octopus belongs to a group of deep-sea octopuses, and just like their distant relative, the blue-ringed octopus, these little guys are extremely venomous. Their venom is so deadly that it can paralyze and kill other animals instantly. Now, while they do pose a threat to humans, researchers believe that their venom could help us develop painkillers for chronic pain sufferers. These oddly cute creatures also have big eyes to help them see in the dark depths of the ocean. They're actually the only known species in the world with eyes larger than their brains. No 9. Goblin shark. This shark looks straight out of a nightmare. It has a long, slender body with a huge head and mouth lined with sharp teeth. They have very poor eyesight, but they can detect the electrical signals given off by prey animals. Goblin sharks are known to attack seals, fish, and even other sharks. And while they usually don't go after humans, there has been one recorded incident of a goblin shark biting a surfer on the leg. And the wound was so bad that the surfer almost bled to death. Number 8. Star-nose mole. This small mammal lives in the moist forests of South Africa. It's named after its unique star-shaped nose, which it uses to sniff out food. It has 22 fully movable whiskers on its nose that can sense the tiniest vibrations and changes in air pressure. It also has extremely sensitive touch receptors all over its body that allow it to feel the slightest movement. This helps them find food in complete darkness, and it also warns them of danger. Number 7. Tardigrade. There are many different species of tardigrades, but this microscopic animal has been nicknamed the water bear. They live in the water, but they can survive on land for about 100 hours. Tardigrades are famous for their ability to enter a state called cryptobiosis, where their metabolism slows down to extremely low levels, and they become almost completely inactive. They can survive in extreme temperatures, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. Number 6. Ai. This strange-looking lemur lives in the forests of Madagascar. Its most distinctive feature is its long, thin middle finger, which it uses to tap on trees to test their strength. If the branch is weak enough, the AEAE will strip the bark off and eat the soft inner wood. Their large eyes help them see in the dark, and they have excellent night vision. Unfortunately, they're hunted by other animals for their unique body parts, which are used in voodoo ceremonies. Because of this, they're an endangered species. No. 5. Red-lipped batfish. This ugly fish looks more like a mutated Pokémon than an actual animal. It's found in the coastal waters of Australia and New Zealand, and it's perfectly camouflaged against the rocks and seaweed. Its eyes are on top of its head, which allows it to see predators coming from above, and its mouth is full of tiny teeth that allow it to crush crabs and other prey. No. 4. Blobfish. This fish has a very unfortunate name, but it's one of the cutest animals on our list. It lives at a depth of 2,000 feet where the water pressure is intense. Their bodies are almost entirely made up of gelatinous flesh, which allows them to survive the crushing pressure. When they're brought to the surface, they often die because they can't handle the change in pressure. While it may look like a blob, this fish is actually quite graceful when it swims. No. 3. Chameleon. We're all familiar with the green chameleon, but did you know that there are over 200 different species? Most of them are very colorful, but they're not very good at hiding. Since they're so slow-moving, they rely on their camouflage to stay hidden from predators. But some chameleons have come up with another way to hide. The Austerlitz chameleon can actually change its skin pattern to mimic leaves and twigs. Number 2. Frilled shark. This massive shark has more than 300 teeth in its mouth, and they're arranged in multiple rows. This allows them to slice through flesh with ease. They have no air bladder, which means that they can't control their buoyancy. This makes it very hard to avoid potential predators like sperm whales and basking sharks. Frilled sharks are also known as the vomit factory because they release large amounts of blood and digestive acids when threatened. Number 1. Lancet fish. This bizarre animal is considered to be one of the most primitive vertebrates on Earth. It has a long, slender body with a pointy nose and tail. They have no fins or scales, and their entire body is transparent. You can literally see all of their internal organs through their skin. Lancet fish are parasitic, and they use their pointy nose to pierce the skin of their prey. They then attach themselves to the host and feed off their body fat. Thanks for watching. Which of these animals would you want as a pet? Let me know in the comments below. See you next time. Bye.